What do you do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I have a crazy and important update I have for you guys. So what I want you to do is to watch this video all the way through to the end and take action on this method, because I'm guaranteeing you that you're gonna make your first sale. So you can see here I made a new ClickBank account. I have many ClickBank accounts, so I made a brand new one to test this specific method, and I've gotten about $45 in just this sale came through at around 10 a.m. where I stay. So it came about around that time in the morning. So I did this over the weekend, and I've been testing out few different angles. So what I want you to do is to watch all this video through to the end, take action, and follow me all the way through. So it has 3 steps to it, and all the 3 steps are essential. So it's important that you take a closer look at what I'm going to be showing you guys. So the first thing you want to do is you need a YouTube account, or of course you're already watching YouTube, so you must have a YouTube. You don't even need to have your own channel. So what you need to do is to go over to YouTube and find a specific niche you want to go into. So for this example, I'm going to be using the woodworking niche, and they have a product on ClickBank. So I'm not going to show you the exact product I use to make that money, because it's a relatively new product on the ClickBank marketplace, and it's converting very well according to my statistics. So this is the niche I'm going to be showing you guys for this video. We're going to be using the woodworking niche. So for example, I searched up some kind of keywords in this niche, and I found wood carving for beginners. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and look for videos that are already ranking for these keywords. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on some of these videos. So we're going to open up some of these videos in new tabs and see what they have for us already. So I'm going to mute my video is not loading up. Okay, that's loading up. So what we want to do is we want to look for videos that have been made targeting our keywords. I know what you're thinking, that hey, how am I going to be making it? Stay with me through the course of this video. So what you want to do is that you're gonna click on the videos, open them up in a new tab, or you can open them in the same tab. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down and click on the share button here, and this window should pop up. So what we're going to be looking for is we're going to look for the embed feature of YouTube, and we're going to click on this embed feature here, and I want you to copy everything, or copy everything in the embed feature. Click on right click and copy, or you can just copy everything here, then close that. Then we're going to move on to step 2. Step 2 is to go over to YouTube back again and go over to the search bar and search for my name, Josh Lamek. Then you click the red button that says subscribe. When you click that button, then we're going to move on to step 2. Once you have done you have clicked the red button, then you're going to move on to the second step, which is to go over to medium.com, and that is where we're going to be embedding this video. I know what you're thinking then, how am I going to be able to add your affiliate links? Relax. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and embed that video we have got from YouTube, and it should pop up in Medium. And for this example, you can see the video is going to pop up. I don't know why my internet is so slow. Okay, so it has popped up. So what we're going to do is we're going to give the same title of the video to this very article we're going to be writing on Medium. So you're going to write wood carving for beginners. Remember, this can be applied to any niche you are in. It doesn't have to be specifically the woodworking niche. So wood carving for beginners, step by step tutorial, something along those lines. It doesn't have to be fancy. So remember, you have to keep your keywords in the title, wood carving for beginners, because we're going to be ranking on Google for this specific keyword. So how do I know we're going to be ranking? Because there's nobody who has written an article on Medium that is specifically targeting this keyword, wood carving for beginners, and that gives us a huge chance to rank our videos on Medium. So the article I found on Medium is quite short. It's just literally I think it's only 100 words or so, something like that. He just added an image and wrote a few words and is linking back to their website. So he has been getting traffic, though his article is not ranking on Medium. It's quite short compared to those that are available. So what you want to do is you want to go back to YouTube and watch these videos. After you've watched these videos, then you're gonna go back to Medium and write what you have learned below these videos. After you've written, hey, you can say, hey, this is my blog, I like money, ClickBank, along those lines. Just write as long as possible. Ensure that it's about 2,000 words. You can watch both of them and get a clear knowledge and understanding of what the video is about. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to ClickBank and we're going to go back to the marketplace. Then when we click on the marketplace, and they should take us to straight to the marketplace, and where we're gonna, this is where we're gonna find our link to the Medium article. So I don't know why my internet is so slow. Then we're gonna type in here wood, type in wood and see what comes up. Okay, so they have a bunch of woodworking offers. Oh, it's not popping up. Okay, so let's use this as an example, furniture craft, for just the sake of this tutorial. And I don't know why my internet is so slow. Let's close that again. Let's copy the link again. Oh, okay, that's a huge problem. So okay, I hope you get the idea. So what we're gonna do is we're getting our affiliate link from ClickBank or any other affiliate network you are part of. Then we're gonna get that affiliate link. Let me just close this out. It's not gonna work. My internet is so slow today. I don't know why. Okay, so then we're gonna add that affiliate link inside this Medium article. Then you just click on this chain thingy, then you paste your affiliate link. For this example, I don't have a link, so I've just gone ahead and pasted the same thing which I had in my clipboard. So then at the end, put a disclaimer. This article has affiliate links, so you get a compensation if somebody makes a purchase through your affiliate link, something along those lines. So that we are compliant with Medium rules. If you haven't seen my video about Medium and how to stay compliant with Medium, I will link it up in the card so that you can watch it. So ensure you stay with me, because this is the most important part of this video. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and click on publish. Click on publish. I'm not gonna publish this, but you get the idea. Click on publish and get the link to this Medium article you have just written. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to Reddit. And I know what you think. Reddit. Nobody talks about Reddit because they are either spammers and get blocked or get banned. So what I'm going to show you is how we're going to stay compliant with Reddit rules, the subreddit rules, and profit from it as we are helping people as well. So what we're going to do is go over to Reddit and search for your niche. So for this example, we're going to search woodworking. So I found a couple of subreddits and I've opened them up here in a new tab. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna be posting content in these subreddits. What you wanna do is you wanna post content each and every single day, 3 times, in the morning, afternoon, and in the evening, for a week. So what you wanna do is you wanna post content 3 times. I must say that again. You wanna post content 3 times a week, 3 times a day. Sorry, for a full week. So where do you get the content? Simple. Head over to Pixabay and search for your niche. If it's wood carving, you'll easily find images about wood carving, these search images. If you're done with all these images, head back to the search bar and search for specific items that are made out of wood. So you can say benches, a bench. You can search for wooden benches or anything along those lines. Get these images, add them into the group, and these images get a lot of engagement in the groups, in the subreddit. Sorry. So let me show you one of the images that is getting a lot of engagement in these subreddits. And what you want to do is we are modeling after what is working in these specific subreddits. I don't know why my internet is so slow today. Okay, so You can see here this image here is getting a lot of upvotes, and this person is engaging, and people in this subreddit are starting to trust this person. So what you want to do is you want to post images 3 times every single day for a full week before you drop your link to the medium article you have written. So go ahead and add images. You can go ahead and move around your city, find wood projects and take pictures of them, post them in these subreddits, so that when you drop your links, people will be more likely to click on them, head over to your medium article, read your article, watch the videos, and click your affiliate links to buy. I've been doing this for a week, and that's why I made the $45 I've showed you in the beginning of this video. If you haven't watched the video to the end, that is your problem. Or if you have skipped specific parts of this video, then the method is not going to work. So what you want to do after you have done this for a week, add your link on the 8th day after you have added images and that sort of engaging content, mod what's working in the subreddit and post that. So what you want to do, once you have done that for a week, go back to YouTube, search for my name again, and hit the red button if you have not subscribed yet. So once you have done that, then leave me a comment down below letting me know your results after the 7 days or whatever time you have done that. So leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. I know you're new. Many of you are new. Subscribe, and I'm out, bruh. I'll see you in the next one.